Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are comparing Verizon versus Visible in 2026. Two carriers using the same network, but with very different prices, perks, and priorities. By the end, you'll know which one might be better for you. Let's dive in. Quick overview. Verizon, one of the major nationwide carriers with full premium plans, perks, and coverage. Visible, a budget wireless brand owned by Verizon that rides the same network for much less. Both run on the Verizon 4G 5G network, so coverage footprints are nearly identical, but there are big differences in pricing and experience. Price and plans. Visible plans in 2026 starting around $25 to $45 per month for unlimited talk, text, and data, taxes included. Options include basic unlimited and Visible Plus with faster data and extra perks. Verizon plans, postpaid unlimited plans typically start around $65 to $85 per month or more. More tiers, more perks, and family plan discounts help spread cost. Bottom line, if price is your biggest factor, Visible is much cheaper, often saving hundreds per year on a single line. Network and performance. Since Visible uses the same Verizon network, coverage is largely the same, great in urban and rural regions alike. But Verizon postpaid customers get higher network priority, meaning faster speeds during congestion. Visible data can be deprioritized when the network gets busy, especially on the cheaper plan. So in real life, you will probably see similar bars and general reach, but Verizon customers may get more consistent speeds in crowded areas. Hotspot and extras. Visible, unlimited mobile hotspot included on most plans at lower speeds. No family plans or device financing options. Verizon, hotspot options vary by plan, often capped but faster than Visible's Verizon. Offers perks like streaming bundles, travel service, and device installment plans. So if you rely on speedy hotspot data or extra perks, Verizon has the edge. Support and experience. Verizon, full customer support via phone, in store, and online. Visible, mainly app online based support. Cheaper, but makes troubleshooting a bit more hands off. If you want hands on store help, Verizon wins here. Who is best for you? Choose Visible if you want lowest price on unlimited data, same robust Verizon network coverage, simple plans with taxes included, unlimited hotspot even if slower, great for budget focused individuals who do not need premium perks. Choose Verizon if you want priority data speeds, faster hotspot and premium features, family plans and loss of perks, strong support options, ideal if performance and extras matter more than price. Final verdict. Both carriers are excellent in their lanes. Visible equal best value for most single users. Verizon equal best premium experience and support. There is no one size fits all winner. It depends on what you value most. Drop a comment on which one would you pick. And if this video helped you out, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and tell me down below in the comments which one you use already, and see you in the new comparison.